Hello students, welcome back to the channel. So today we will start a new chapter of class 9, that is chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So this chapter is all about the area of triangle, how to find area. So till now we have studied how to find the area of triangle. Suppose this is the triangle given, triangle ABC. Clear? So how to find the area of triangle? Let us suppose this is the height here, AD. So area of triangle is ABC, half into base into height. And what is the base here? Base here is BC and height is AD. So this is how to find the area of triangle. We have studied this formula from class 6-7. But now to find area by this method, we need the value of the height here, that is the altitude AD. But in case the altitude is not given, then how to find the area using the three sides of the triangle? So this is given by the Heron's formula. So let us study what formula says. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. ABC. Clear everyone? And the sides are, this is A, this is B, this is C. And how I am saying that this is side A? Because we take the small a as the opposite side of angle A. So this side BC is opposite of A. So in general way we suppose sides like this. So A will be the side which is opposite to angle A, that is BC side. Small b will be the side which will be opposite to angle B. So side opposite to angle B is AC. So we will suppose AC be B. And side opposite to angle C, that is AB, will be taken as C here. Clear? So this is the general pattern how to suppose the sides in the form of this ABC. Clear everyone? In the higher classes we will study that some formulas are basically given on this basis if sides are assumed in this way. So here first of all we calculate the semi-perimeter, that is S, small s. This is called semi-perimeter. So small s is semi-perimeter, which is calculated by perimeter by 2, half of perimeter. And how to calculate the perimeter of a triangle? Sum of all the three sides, that is A plus B plus C. So this is how to calculate the semi-perimeter. This is small s. Now the area of triangle is given by under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is the formula. This is the Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle. So this formula is applicable for any triangle, scalene triangle, right triangle, isosceles, equilateral. So this is the general formula to calculate area of triangle. No matter what triangle is, which type of triangle is given, this is applicable in all the triangles. So first of all, calculate the semi-perimeter S, that is perimeter by 2, sum of all sides by 2, A plus B plus C by 2. Then area of triangle, root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is the formula we will use to find the area of triangle. So let us learn how to apply this formula. We will take the question number 1 of exercise 12.1. Let's see question number 1 now of exercise 12.1. It is given that there is a signal board on which school ahead is written, and this signal board is in the form of a equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle in which all the sides are equal. So we will suppose let the side of equilateral triangle be A. Clear everyone? So this is triangle, equilateral triangle. We suppose that the side is A here. Now we have to calculate the area of this triangle. So we will use the Heron's formula here. Basically we know that the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So we will prove that the area will be root 3 by 4 side square by using Heron's formula. First of all we will have to calculate semi-perimeter S. S is sum of all sides, that is A plus A plus A by 2. This is equal to 3A by 2. Now area of triangle is root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Clear? But since here all the sides are equal, so all ABC will be replaced by A. So S is 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A, 3 by 2A minus A, and again 3 by 2A minus A. Clear? So this will be equal to 3A by 2 into, when we will subtract this will be equal to A by 2. Clear everyone? So this can be written here 3A to the power 4 upon 16. So if we take the square root of this 3A to the power 4 by 16, so this will be equal to root 3. Out of A to the power 4, A square will come out, and the root of 16 is 4. So the area of triangle, equilateral triangle, is given by root 3 by 4 A square. So this is basically the direct formula to calculate the area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 A square, that means root 3 by 4 side square. So first part is completed of this question. Now the second part is given. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? The perimeter is given now. So we have derived the formula. Now we will apply here. So here it is given perimeter is 180 centimeter. And what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 into side. 3A is equal to 180, so A will be 60 centimeter. That means the side of the triangle is 60 centimeter. Now we have to calculate area. So area of triangle will be, we have just derived the formula root 3 by 4 A square. So put the value of A here. This will be equal to root 3 by 4 into 3600. This will be equal to 900 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of the signal board. First we will derive the formula because it is given in the question, and after that we have to find the value of the area when the perimeter is 180 centimeter. So this was question number 1. See question number 2 now. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Side of the walls are given, that is wall, it is in the form of triangle. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Total earning in the year is rupees 5,000. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So we have to calculate the rent for only 3 months. Clear everyone? So first of all we have to find the area of that advertisement board, which is in the form of triangle. So let us find the area first. To find the area, we will suppose that A is 122 meter, B is 22 meter, C is 120 meter. calculate S. 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2. So this will be equal to 264 by 2. That is 132 meters. So this is our semi-perimeter. Now we will calculate the area using the Heron's formula. So calculate area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what is S here? 132. 132 minus 122. 132 minus 22, and last 122 minus C, that is 120. So this will be equal to 132. This is 10 here. This is 110, and this is 12. Now do the make the factors in the square root to find the area here. So 32 can be written as 11 into 12. This is 10. This is written as 11 into 10, and this is equal to 12. So we can see that one pair is formed of 12. So this will come out from the root. One pair is of 11 and another pair is of 10. So all the factors will come out from the root, and the answer is 1320 meter square. So this is the total area of the board. Now the price is given, total earning per year is given here, but we have to calculate earning for the only 3 months. So how to calculate? Let's see. So earning per year is rupees 5,000. So earning per month will be, earning per month will be equal to 5,000 upon 12. This will be equal for per meter square. Clear everyone? This is the earning per meter square for only 1 month. Now we have to calculate earnings, or we can say rent, for 3 months. For how much area? This was per meter square, but we have to pay for 1320 meter square. So this will be equal to 5,000 by 12 into 1320. This is earning for 1 month for this amount of area, and we have to calculate for 3 months, so we will multiply it by 3. So the answer will be 16 lakhs 50,000. So this will be the total rent for 3 months. See question number 3 now. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls have been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So we have to find the area of the board which has to be painted by the color. So the board is in form of the triangle, so we have to find the area of triangle. So let us say A is 15, B is 11, C is 6. You can take any of the walls sides as A, B and C here because it is not mentioned. So first of all we will calculate semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. This will be 32 by 2, 16. So S is equal to 16 here. So find area of triangle. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this will be equal to 16. 16 minus what is A here? 15. 16 minus B 11, and 16 minus B is 6. So this will be equal to 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. So make the factors here. This is 4 into 4, 5 into 5 into 2. So one pair of 4, one pair of 5. So 4 into 5 root 2, that is 20 root 2 meter square. So this is the area of the board which has to be painted. So this was question number 3. So this is all for this video. In the next video we will do the question number 4 to 6 of this exercise. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.